Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Friday, April the 3rd. As always, slow news cycle down Fridays. I've got just two press releases for you, but as always, we focus on quality over quantity. Let's get straight to it. First, China, again, great earnings numbers. We've got China-Agri business, trades on the OTC under CHBU. They announced net income was up 27% to $1.3 million, despite a decrease in revenue. This is a manufacturer of biochemical agricultural application products in China. Great staple business. Total revs about $2.92 million, down 3.8%, but they were adversely affected by severe weather conditions. And you remember what happened in China in 2008? You had that terrible winter early in the year. Then you had some flooding later in the year, and you also had a bit of an earthquake. Well, in each of those regions, their revenues were down significantly. Gross profit was actually slightly up 1.6% to $2.1 million, and net income was actually up to $1.345 million. That's 10 cents per share. That's compared to about 1.05 million shares. So it looks like a 30% increase on the net income side, or 9 cents per share from an earnings per share point of view. Why is that important, that 10 cents per share that they hit this year? They closed yesterday at 20.5 cents. So it looks like we've got a company here trading at just 2 times earnings. Go do your own due diligence unless there are any skeletons in the closet. Great numbers, great value here. Sunovia trades on the OTC under SUNV. They announced that they finalized a $33 million basic order agreement for infrared wafers. These are for night vision camera applications for both civilian and military night vision markets. The company has filed applications with the federal departments that are all in charge of the governing the sale of infrared products. As you know, that's pretty tightly controlled. They expect to get those approvals by third quarter 2009. Now, I do caution you, the sale isn't done. I mean, the sale is done, the approvals aren't in. And anytime you go through the government, especially in this day and age where tensions are high in the military, you never know. They may not get those approvals. So don't bake that into the cake just yet. Carl Smith, Chairman CEO, took a small excerpt from his quote. As a primary supplier of night vision technology to the U.S. military and its allies, EPIR is held to the highest standards imaginable. EPIR are the guys who produce this night vision technology. Here's the other thing. The company closed just 8 cents yesterday, way off its high of $1.69. You're talking about pretty much 98%. So go take a look as to what happened and why the company's price got hit so hard. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM front page. All the most recent stories over the last 2 or 3 days by industry, and only the best press releases, none of the normal core stuff. And at the same time, we've got our marketplace, close to 65 companies listed by industry and exchange with great summary descriptions so you can quickly find the one that best suit your portfolio. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.